Okay, so here's where I'm at so far. I paid a plumber $200 to just fix this freaking mess that I had made, and best 200 bucks I ever spent. They did really quick work of this and got it all lined up. Well, hopefully they measured it. I measured it myself. It seems like it will line up to the way the bathtub is. So I made a hole here on the outside. That way I can reach in and fasten it once the tub is in place. And this right here is the top rail that the sliding doors are going to slide on. Now, if you see, I put sheetrock on both sides to see that whether or not it would fit. Now, it won't. It's the walls are too long. So basically, if you look over here, there's a gap about that much. See that? So this is already adjusted for as long as it can stretch out. So it ain't gonna get any better than that. Now this wall's got these little 3/8 inch thingies on the 2x4s to make it smaller, but from here to here it does not equal 60 inches. It's actually off by half an inch. Or more or less. It's hard to be very accurate. So first of all, the tub won't fit. There's going to be too big of a gap. So here's my solution. There's a 3/8 piece of plywood that I put there that will act as, it kind of acted as a spacer. And obviously the sheetrock is there to simulate where the wall will be, but what I'm going to do is actually put these, and I could not find a 3/8 board. They only have 1/4 or half an inch, and I decided to go with the half an inch. So what I'm going to do is kind of put this like so, and make it so that it basically closes the gap up, because this is approximately how much gap space is left. Now obviously this board is a little too thick, but this can be adjusted so that it's thinner. What I don't know is the gap required for the tub to fit perfectly is about 3/8 of an inch. Well, I'm stuck because I don't know whether to use a half inch or a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch is going to leave space, and this might be a little bit tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put this into position, bring the tub in here, and make sure that with these as spacers along the 2x4s, it'll fit snug. And if it does, great. If it's too tight, then I'll probably go with I'll return these and I'll go get the 1/4 inch. So that's where I'm at.